He's not scared of the snake's deadly venom. The mongoose is incredibly quick on his feet, able to dodge the strikes and hit them. Eventually, the cobra gives in. He's got away lightly. Cape cobra, the worst possible threat to the weavers. It's highly venomous and extremely hungry at this time of year. To make matters worse, the cobra is a brilliant tree climber. The weavers can sense the approaching menace, and tensions run high. There's nothing they can do to stop him. The cobra is getting dangerously close. Thankfully, the weavers are not alone. Finally, an all-out assault. That's quite enough for the cobra.